Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're going to make chicken macaroni salad with a Swedish touch. And so here we come to the ingredients. So here are the ingredients for this macaroni salad. Raisins, mayonnaise, whipped cream, apples. These are 2 apples, red beets or beetroots, pineapple, chicken. These are peas and carrots, onion. This is around 1 onion, and then these are grilled paprika, and the macaroni. And here are the radish and the spices, which is black pepper and paprika, and then finally vegetable to nose. This is the grated cheese that we're going to use in the salad. So we're going to have the mayonnaise to start. So the mayonnaise, a little bit more. So, and then the cream, which is this 15% fat. And mix it, use all of it. So here comes the relish, and then the red beets, and then we mix. And then the chicken. And this paprika. And the onion. And the apples. Start with half of it, so we'll see. And the pineapple. Now continue mixing. So now we put the raisins on top of it. Now we're going to mix again. A little bit of salt. So, and some black pepper, not too much, so it'll be, and then a little bit of paprika. Be careful with this because this could be usually hot, so don't take too much. I think that will do. And then before the cheese, we mix again. So we'll So this is the final result. Chicken and macaroni salad made in Sweden. So this is the final result, the salad macaroni salad. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe in order to keep yourself updated on our videos.